Hey, it's Joel, the 3D printing nerd, and I wanted to start something. I'm gonna call it Spotlight. And the idea is to spotlight some really cool, awesome people in the 3D printing community that you yourself may not know about. So welcome to the first Spotlight. Let's do this. Are you ready? Go. Welcome to the first Spotlight. This is exciting. I really hope this takes off as a series, and this is something I'm planning for 2017. This is kind of like my first test. I really hope you like it. For my first Spotlight, I would like you to meet Lauren Renee of AbuzzDesigns. Lauren is cool. She's an incredible designer, and she's been YouTubing for a little while, and she's a good person trying to accomplish some really cool things. She's a fun maker and creator, and I want you to meet her. So Lauren, take it away.
Hey guys! For those of you who don't know, I am Lauren Renee and I am from AbuzzDesigns, a YouTube channel here that creates both 3D printing videos, design content, as well as crafting projects. So a huge thank you to Joel for inviting me to do a guest spot on the 3D printing nerd. It is super exciting, and I hope that you guys like what I have in store for you today. So today we are going to be looking at making gift tags. You know, it's that time of year you're giving a ton of gifts. And why do you want to just give a little sticker when you can give little 3D printed gift tags? So I thought it'd be kind of a cool concept to show you how to do. I'm going to be printing them on my FlashForge Creator Pro using dual extrusion. But first, let's show you how to make them. All right, guys, I'm going to go through this relatively quickly. So you're going to start off with a box shape, make it the size that you want. Then you're going to chamfer the top two edges and then add a circle cut through the top so that you can hang the tag. From there you're going to just add you're going to sketch in your package, basically the shape that you're looking for, using lines, arcs, ellipses, splines, whatever you want to use to make the package. There's no right or wrong answer here. With the bow though, make sure to stick to one side and then you can mirror that side over so that you get a equal sized bow on both sides of the package. From there, I went ahead and mirrored this off of the actual tag because I wasn't sure exactly how I was going to do it at first. So I went ahead and extruded that back 2 millimeters and then pulled it an additional millimeter. Then I moved it back into place to make sure it was the right sizing I was looking for. I could have just extruded the item back and created a new object. Hindsight being 2020. From here, I'm going to create another new sketch, and I'm going to sketch just right on top of that extruded piece to create the definition of the bow. This is going to be the same color as the majority, whereas the piece that we just moved is going to be a different color so that we've got the dual extrusion going on. Again here, no right or wrong answer. My only recommendation is to just mirror over the bow so that it's the same on both sides. From there, I just cleaned everything up using the trim tool just to make it a little bit easier for me to see what I was doing. And again, doing the same with the ribbon side of the bow as well. Once everything was all cleaned up, then it was time to extrude things. Now, I wanted to use a little bit of different depths, so I did the flat part of the ribbon at one depth, then I extruded the actual bow itself at a little bit higher, and then the center part of the bow even higher than that. From there, I went ahead and added the two different colors so you could see exactly what the final product was going to look like. Don't forget to put your to and from on the back of the piece. I'm going to use the sketch mode to add the text, and then once you have it in the right position, you're going to extrude it back into the piece about a 0.5 millimeter just to give it just enough depth without being too deep. That was pretty simple, right guys? Using Fusion 360 is super easy. But now we've got a time lapse. Ready? Time lapse. I hope that you loved this video. Big huge thank you again to Joel for letting me do this. If you have not subscribed yet to the 3D printing nerd, now is your chance. Go ahead and do it. And if you are interested in checking me out, I would absolutely love it if you did.
A big thanks to Lauren. Thank you, Lauren. I really appreciate you being the first of my Spotlight people. That's pretty awesome of you. I really appreciate the video, guys. She tried to keep the video at the 4-minute mark, she told me, so she rushed through her Fusion tutorial pretty quickly. If you have any questions about that, leave it in a comment down below, or find her on social media, or go subscribe to her channel. In fact, go subscribe to her channel anyway. She's awesome. All right, well, let me know what you think of this Spotlight series, and I hope to highlight more makers and creators and awesome 3D printers in the future. But for now, Lauren, please close us out.
That is all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to hug each other more. As always, high five.